SciMap tutorial number 4, entering a hands-on activity. So here we are at our dashboard, and the easiest way to enter an activity is through a locations pop-up window. So let's go to our SciMap page and find our location of interest, which I want to enter a location for loblolly. Here's our loblolly pin. We enter we click on the pin, the pop-up box opens, and we click on hands-on activities. That takes us to the lesson plan page, where you will see a form that allows us to enter the activity. This is a gravity form, and this form is one that I created. The hands-on activity for SciMap form is a master form that appears on every lesson plan page so that people can input lesson plans. So we're going to use it on the loblolly page, lesson plan page, to enter our activity. So here we go. Here's our name. You just start typing. We've done the name, the site, name of the site, name of activity. Now we want to enter the materials. I usually have a Word file open, so I can just quickly copy and paste, and I have fewer errors that way. There, happy to see our materials. Let's go down and enter the procedure. I took the procedure from a website called KC Adventures. So I've sourced that under the procedure. The science behind it, I actually took from a different website because I didn't like the explanation that KC Adventures gave. I find that often that you've got an interesting experiment that the discussion of the science behind it is lacking. So I went and sourced another explanation from South Carolina 6th grade science website. Let me grab this again. I didn't get it all properly. There we go. Copy. Come over here and paste it. All right. Now there's an image that I have, and I'm going to choose that from a location on my computer. This, unlike when we did the picture of the location, we took it from our media files. This form is actually choosing from your hard drive somewhere on your computer. So here is my picture. I already preloaded it to my computer so I could actually easily load it into my lesson plan. There it is, right there. And this is submitted by Hands On Gainesville, and our email is handsongainesville@gmail.com, and then you submit. All right, so that's the easy part, entering the activity. Now what we need to do is actually take the entry to the gravity form and create a PDF. So let's go back to our dashboard. And let's scroll down till we see forms. Now this is Gravity Forms plugin that I've chosen. and let's click Forms. On this page, you can see the master form that I created in Gravity Forms called Hands-On Activity for SciMap. We don't want to click on that and edit that because that's the master form with all the way I set up the fields. What you need to do to create the PDF or see your entry is scroll over and click Entries. And then when the entries page, when the entries are listed, you look for your lesson plan, and chances are it's at the top of the list because you just entered it. So let's look at the name of our entry. When I go and put my cursor on the name of the entry, you can see that a submenu comes up. And what I want to do is view PDF. This allows me to create a PDF, so I'm going to right click and open it in a new tab, or you can just click on it if you want. So when I click on that, the PDF is created for your activity. Look at the top of the page. Here's where you will see the URL for this PDF. So copy that, highlight the URL, and copy it. Now let's go back to our dashboard and open SciMap in the SciMap tool, Pages. And let's find our lesson plan page for Loblolly. Let's scroll down. It's not on this page. So go to the next page. Find the Loblolly pages. This is the one we want, the one that says lesson plan, because this is the activity that we want to associate on this page. So let's open that. Look at that. Okay, this is our lesson plan page. What we want to do, this lesson plan page actually looks the same for all sites that get created. I've asked Daniel to include the text, the blue text here, as well as this gravity form in all of the lesson plan pages. So go under choose a fun activity for this site and just type the name of your activity. And the name of my activity was Do Plants Breathe? All right. Now I want to highlight this name, the name of my activity, and I want to associate the PDF URL with this text. So you go up here into the menu area, toolbar, click on Insert Link, and another pop-up window comes up. You paste the PDF URL in there that you copied on the PDF that was created. And then to apply that link, you have to click the blue box with the right arrow. There you go. It's been applied. And then the last thing you do is update the page so that it saves that link to the name that you typed in. There you go. So now let's go back to the SciMap. Let's just get on the main SciMap page. And we can see if it was added to our Loblolly hands-on activities. And there's our pop-up box. Hands-on activities. Let's click on that and see what happens. Ah, there you go. Do plants breathe? It's listed right there. And if you click that, it should bring you to the PDF. All right, there's the PDF. So, hooray! What you've done now is you've used a Gravity form to input an activity for a site. And you've created a PDF, which you've pasted back into the lesson plan page for that site for everyone to see. All right. That's the end of number 4. The last one is tutorial number 5, how to edit this activity that you've just entered in case there's something that you need to change.